Gabby. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to my channel. For today's video, I filmed part 2 of my spring series, and this look is called Pink Lemonade. So I incorporated a ton of different pinks, and I created this pink lemonade look. I also added white eyeliner in my cut crease. So if you'd like to see how to recreate this look, then just keep on watching. Thank you guys so much, and don't forget to subscribe. For my transition color, I'm using the color Creme from my Dulce Juvia's Place palette and putting that in my crease, bringing it all the way down to the inner corner. Then I'm going in with a darker pink from my Beauty Trends palette, and I'm placing that directly over the transition. Then taking this pink from the 35B palette, I'm placing that slightly below the other pink and just deepening the color. Using this purpley pink, I'm placing that slightly below the other pinks that we're using, and I'm smoking it out. Using my Tarte Shape Tape, I'm going to cut my crease. I'm taking this darker purple from the 35B palette, and I'm smudging it on my upper lash line in a diagonal motion. You're going to repeat these steps using the pinks that we put in the transition in reverse order. So from darkest to lightest, smudging it in a diagonal motion on the upper lash line. Next, I'm going to take this matte yellow in the 35B palette, and I'm going to place that in the area where we did not apply any color. And I'm going to pack that until it's as bright as I want it to be. Then, taking that same dark purple, we're just going to put that in the outer V just to deepen the whole look so that it has more dimension. Taking the shimmery yellow, I'm just going to use that as a highlight for my brow bone in my inner corner. Next, I'm just using liquid liner to apply a very thin line on my upper lash line, and then I'm going to prep my lashes for falsies and apply my falsies off camera. Then I'm taking this white liquid liner to draw a line in my crease, just halfway where we cut it earlier. For my lower lash line, I'm just smudging the shade Creme from my Juvia's Place palette and the bright hot pink that we used in our crease from the 35B palette. Then I just took the purple from the 35B and smudged that on the outer third of my lower lash line. Using some glitter glue and a gold glitter, I placed that on the inner corner of my eyes to give them more of a pop of color. I then lined my waterline using a white eyeliner so that my eyes appeared larger. Then for primer, I'm using my Hangover RX primer from Too Faced all over my face, and then for concealer, I'm using my Tarte Shape Tape. For contour, I took my Wet n Wild Call Me Maple contour stick, and then I blended both my concealer and my contour in with a beauty blender. For foundation, I'm using the Fit Me foundation stick in the shade 115, and I just put that all over my face and blended it out with a beauty blender. Taking my 3-step Smashbox contour kit, I took the Cool Tone shade and I bronzed up my face and my temples. Using the Milani Baked Blush in the shade Dulce Pink, I applied that to the apples of my cheeks to give myself more of a fleshed appearance, and then I took my Rosé highlighting palette and took the white shade and placed that everywhere that I wanted highlight. To complete the look, I used my Wet n Wild lip liner in the shade Bear to Comet and my Tarte liquid lipstick in the shade Exposed. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe.